God's destruction of the earth with flood. One day, Jehovah God came to Noah. Noah,
My Lord,
the end of all flesh is come before me. For the earth is filled with violence through them. And behold, I will destroy them with the earth. Build a boat for yourself out of good timber. Make rooms in it, and cover it with tar, inside and outside the boat. Noah was instructed by God to take in a male and female of every kind of animal and bird. He and his wife and 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, and their wives also entered into the boat. Then the Lord shut the door. 7 days later, the floods came. All the floodgates of the sky were opened, and the rain fell on earth for 40 days and nights. Everything on earth that breathed died. To confirm that the rain had stopped, he sent a dove out, and it came with an olive leaf. God said to Noah to go out of the boat with his wife, sons and their wives, birds and animals, so that they may reproduce and fill the
The
earth.
rain stopped at last. Look, the sun is coming out.
The boat rested on Mount Ararat.
oh, my Lord, my God.
Through this, his deeds and power can be found. His wisdom and authority. God made a covenant with Noah that he will never destroy again the earth with floods. Rainbow was a sign of a covenant between God and Noah, who promised him that he will never again destroy the earth with floods.